Now we say for a demonstration. About OSP. And like one of GH boy interview Sofpenia Abraham Lincoln or Dano. This boy be say question back up. The question of the year. Say OSP no one in the wasema. Papa no so to no boasema answer nyansa wom. Eba ye ho ye. Sa special prosecutor no maybe president in the main due process bia. Meka to say me you ready. I will issue a statement. Opa ko Supreme Court. No. You see, Jay Kufoka say the constitution is not a fetish. Constitution that Kumara use no ebosom. Ye bodua na manu ye gu nsa guso. 80 years back, not back then, or a minority leader, no person Jay Kufo ever parliament. Now budget clearance. As for Nigeria, Akofa Pejo, the friend Pijo, Sakas na Bragana Police Service. Kufoso no way. Obasanjo to work cast na ready. Yan kwa famra wo say yamra parliament meja. Kwase sakas ni na na de bae. And the Ghana Police Service for enya sa 504. Any deben no mo ye adwuma e wo kuro yim.
What is your name?
Ghana for some.
Oh.
Sometimes if you're a president, call the bluff of certain people. What the way make I Donald Trump will call your bluff. He's not ready to listen to you because who are GMB will know he's ready to build America. Now, America. Now they are saying that it is good we voted for you. John, this is what I want for you. The constitution is not a fetish. Maybe you're special, maybe you're president. Oh, okay, me gunu. And when you cramp say be ho, you can say you report ho. You can find the from nyansa bi anim. By no letter soon pew. Yeah, you ready? Yeah, you ready? And then I court. Na court say yen san fa metra wa ko so yen fa o ma. Then when papa me friend Kofi Pot of you, what is the dealer? No, and not boss. Kufoma ni ko live 8 years. When the was assist so ko live in few country. As not making more. Oh, say that.
What of yours?
What of your home? Mumu say leave letter and when I de breno. Me say leave one Kofi Pot of number. Bisano. Mumu say Kofi Pot of. Say leave letter na de be share and say why na de breno. When say papa be say don share am pay masam. When Mumu say Kofi Pot of. Say ni leave letter. Yes, sir. We have been directed to give you this letter. Mr. Busa Kofi Pot officer, sa leave letter no. Now what it you? GBC for can say yes you uncle leave no him. Busa Kofi Pot officer sa leave letter no one the question nsem. Me say that metro book okrom ha say pro. Even else in here so.
He is smart. He is unique.
And the book you see them about title no dada. Me find Kwasia Krasi. And democracy, Kwasia Krasi. That is the title of the book I am writing. Kwasia Krasi. Nanko fa fe the demonstration. No way speak to her. Or la sulala.
I couldn't get. What is your name?
Itia me yanti me pia me hunu ma facha me. Nam konnam baby. Wait. We are say wo no ho. Emsafo. Last 2 weeks me ka say emra na ewo memu ha no. Emra no edidi ne ho ye wahi. Eye say emra no ye adwuma.
The law.
I'm telling you. Ghana mra. Enye adwuma wu. Echi nipa. Obi owo tumi fi say nipa no ho ye na hi. corruption no yet mean fight it.
And the law is the law is the law.
If you say Attorney General be court wo hu na ye na hi. So yeah MPP ni NDC ni hu ye na hi. So yeah MPP this one NDC ni hu ye na hi. It's vice versa. NDC Attorney General MPP for ina hu ye na hi. MPP Attorney General NDC for ina hu ye wo mo hi. Sa no de court. E to wo court awonwen.
E ho ye me hi pa sa boy MPP.
Bafia. Say wo ye madwuma mpanin. Now so one me sika me koto iPad imra. Na me say iPad na ane makoto. Captain wo koto wo he. Me say me koto wo JB ho. Na sa wo se wonjim dia hwan na obebusa no. Simple. We common sense. Common sense oh. Me tell Debia me ka station bia mako bia me ka me yi medinne me sisa speakers egu abobo ya so me ko du aboburusi adama kama dwen me pon na me tuko me ko so me the Land Cruisers na be tu abobo ya re shem finfin na ma ko kama dwen na me ko me ko du kantomato na ma kama dwen Land Cruisers na ko because me near ready say me change one penny as me didi me change one penny as my handan and I'm a sedan because na me nim dia meye e wo media yim eti na ma me no ye ti me kwa na mkuta me kura o pa me fa me ho e na me so pe e na station bia nya me wo Ghana hankope Mafia, Montra Samuel Dominic Ayeni on a Guma Hama by a strategy. No, I know we are from Captain Tomu, our Dominica. No, I don't know who by no. The fact that Captain Smart or a very good presenter, and Chesa can be a very good radio manager. I lie. Because me we a presenter I didn't go asama me you free show some the free rabbit now. Minister Abu Trena fe ya be Canada sokromo dum de sokromo twe. The tuntum kwa the tumbra the stress level stop that rubbish. Get the hell out of here na kwa me ko. Je be betra say hey asma si ko fiata go tra say me nya aduma na yenko. Yeah, born leaders no. Majority of the time we need managers from a distance.
He is smart.
Because we want it done.
Captain Smart.
We don't want it done. No. We want it done.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the.
So the fact that he's a good lecturer doesn't mean he can be a good lawyer. Ever inside. Because Nanado, no, I mean, but I control the president, Mrs. Chachuchikata.
Captain Smart.
And the same thing in Dominic here.
Morning shows.
Producer, for suit to TV so. Yeah, can you? Yeah, now yeah, can. We are all ready.
Remove the third. You are contact Mahin.
Okay. In the Superior Court of Adjudicature, in the High Court, General Jurisdiction, Accra, AD 2025, the Republic versus Adu Boahen, Angela Ejeboate, Medred Donko, Advantage Solutions Limited. Say, I'm not going back with you. Nipa na we yin film no afẹ no person so be witness we here then na me a wa accuse me say ma bokro no we say yi be we a say ya ban witness hey come on look me make us someone chira look me here come on look me hey ma make us someone chira mo me nko school da but I mean, can't some show. As some so dear you do a court today, and you said you didn't know. As some of you how the 200 Yano Kura and far, no, they are beer home.
And the law is the law.
And Chester Young call law school in Chelsea and Nimiansa.
And the law is the law.
Let nobody deceive any lawyer in this country. Say, why you're from learned colleagues. The fact say you're from learned colleague in Chelsea, we are learned chair beer because you go school in a chair. So your chair, I didn't know would just court practice and one learned. It doesn't mean we don't know. Maybe not for 4 years. And sometimes when we meet and we are talking, we'll be asking Captain Coelho.
They think they are sensible.
The lawyer be only a few years of the only as some different. It's MPP General Secretary lawyer, only case it didn't die. That's a good way. The Republic versus one case local here. Whoa. When the case didn't die. Poland watch is also a lawyer, first of all, lawyer. The Republic versus and Cotra Poland watch, they won't be the already for. DH, Miss you to the Hankamauska. And yet, to come here, the law, I didn't know so I am bravo. A lawyer said, what come now? What your man Janico Supreme Court? Why? I don't interpret you. I'm going to Supreme Court.
Is the law.
Producer Fatos
Is the law.
It's in Nipa Bakua Mafia or case the mono. Maybe you see or no there. Ya pardon no. Ya yina free. But on my dance the ma by a pay. Dominica any. Any partner wa charging no. So wa bua mo bi abokro no. What did not quite court mo I am not guilty. I was saying, "Be side by free moon, some bonnet, so what's a we are buying Sicano." So I feel the bear dancing in mammy. And a provider dancing. Brofuni, I dear him. Particular offense. Adu Boahen that you on or about February 5, 2020, in Accra and within the jurisdiction of this court did. Under the guise of procuring, under the guise which has idea number, which said that Okofaba Ama. It's anyhow, Captain Smart, under the guise of procuring something, went to NTB and took money. The church said, Captain Smart said that, or Padibia Tamonia TV. And Osha NTB Hoko Captain Smart, under the guise, one top. A cyber defense system for the Republic of Ghana from ISC Holdings Limited. This honestly appropriated the sum of about 27,100,000 Ghana cedis. But producer ko. Quantum. You on or about in Accra within the jurisdiction of this court did under the guise. And also she said, if you they say company be what Israel. And what you see here, Kotono, one top mafia. Attorney General $27 million Ghana cedis. I have spoken to the company. I sent an email to them. Security 27 or can $30 million. He doesn't even know. This honestly appropriated the sum of about 1 million Ghana cedis. 1 million. 1 million. A national security top-notch operative. 1 million Ghana. $100,000. Belonging to the Republic of Ghana. Count 3. Yanko. Call police. That's blah from Kakra. That's it. Adu Boahen that you on or about March 10, 2020 in Accra and within the jurisdiction of this court did under the guise. Did under the guise. Did under the guise. I hear in the bluff we now did under the guise. And it's honestly appropriated 21 million Ghana. Yanko count 4. And we are any. Blah 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 in Angela Jake that you in February, March 2020 in Accra within the jurisdiction acted together to steal the sum of 49,100,000 Ghana score. Count 5. Adu Boahen that you in or around February and March 2020 in Accra and within the jurisdiction of this court by the false pretense that you were going to buy a cybersecurity system for the Republic of Ghana did cause the government of Ghana to part with the sum of about 49 million Ghana cedis. Say 49 million cedis say Obabia Koka Hono. Yesene ya de koto cybersecurity machine. Attorney General say Amma Ghana. Okay. Count 6, the same thing. Count 7, the same thing. Count 8, the same thing. Count 9, under the guys. ISC Holdings and the Fatu.
The king of morning shows.
Money laundering contrary to the Nina, yeah, under the guys.
I shall protect the public purse.
Count 11. Adu Boahen, Mildred Donko, and Advantage Solutions Limited that in the year 2020 in Accra and within the jurisdiction of the court did agree to act together to commit money laundering. In 49 million now, what's the year they call a machine? Essentially money laundering. The same 49 million now, see, they call a Dr. Dominic Akurating Akuratinga Ayeni Esquire Attorney General Dr. Dominic Akuratinga Ayeni. I am sorry if I'm not able to pronounce the middle name so well. Akuratinga Ayeni Esquire is the Attorney General who signed this. Hear me? Come on, look me straight in the eye. Let me tell you something. Obia where we are Ghana Sikabia no I see a chelo not them. But what be ma obi hu nyawa hi. Attorney General speech no kwa kan ye no. Remonata na chroy. Maka no ato hoyi. Me ana me maso bo ho se bam na me twen ho so obeba. No wabe challenge.
Ehoye me hipa sa boy be. MPP.
Ya cho krona ye timu no yenimu.
MPP.
Strategy ya nye careful aho. Nobody will go to jail, mafia. I'm telling you. OSP strategy ni bi. Osua fi Attorney General. And all day Papa ya fazen. Former MPA boss no. Mustafa Hamid. Me we ya meko Mustafa Hamid case so me say send OSP or me president akaba no kro the jail or the police cell ke de meko akoto nima me do bibia se me na me ya John Mahama sam OSP no kaba na or the nima onya bail cause a strategy one say onya de kenoforiata and 9 others so say debe had the score court to pay you say you red alert na finish so say kenoforiata obetimi according number bi o pe wasase so ha wetimi nya akukudro ma lawyers kura timi a file defense wa bra Ghana ni ko wi abode na post fa se ya hwehwe na yehuna na issue bench warrant
de uye pa
maybe say also captain yeah bench warrant within the jurisdiction of this country it's bench warrant no ain't mean Ghana and ticket of rat as say if you better kwatena London or to restaurant no the free Ghana bench warrant ain't mean for them ba
John for and I'm almost so
ain't mean supporting Rollins so bold ni patu okum won
John for and I'm almost so
me support say America for see Guantanamo woman fa ma hoho woman de ma America for na omo man ne kro no ye pagya wo kwosoro ne edwa gine mbam pentoa na wom ebia wo utum ebia wo nam ebia wo ko ho na wawu fine say you adu na wunya nkwa wo mu a ne ye bo din wo hono to ne ye jai snakes ama wo Guantanamo Bay ye si ama Osama bin Laden ne nkrofo ye si ma America for na omo man ne kro no Naja, I have said it and I want to repeat. National security wo ho. Your Excellency, say ya me no ka say. from 2021 ebesi 2024 Sika will release it for special operations under the national security and this in nim fiem yenu saska ne yepe
John for enamuomo so
let somebody come and challenge me. Come and sit here. National security, and nobody should think say you know the national security more than anybody.
Obi is a boy.
Me national security coordinators are being a put 2 pennies through one.
He is a guy.
Francis Pokuno Razak, you ought to was here. Some guy not one friend Razak, no, or deadly be doing.
He is a guy. He didn't he.
National security coordinators are Abagana Hangina minimum 2 pet Namisro, Francis Poku and Razak.
He is a guy. He didn't he. Obi is a boy. He didn't she. She is a man.
Strategy. Francis Poku used to hear sum. SOME. National security and Kasam. National security and Kasam. SOME. The friend sum.
When
And Razak. Upgrade some no de abeka ho some
Lakaka.
that is the strategy Razak adopted a Israeli Russian covert strategy.
Obi is a boy. He didn't she.
And Razak maybe who Razak am suru no because me the kind of strategy I adopted etina Raymond acha na ne konto because say Raymond and Razak omo nkasa omo konto kwa
She is
and then a yoko and national security
she
wonka your mama Raymond and Razak womunka me maka o what they fighting over say ya me no ka say the one in charge of NSB the friend attack watting
when
Musa said it why ha
I don't know.
attack watting and your mama first no onita say on what SB Musa said it attack watting ha because your account you on national security your friend special operations account ebi wo bank bi wo actually ha ebi wo bank bi e wo yanim ha ebi wo bank bi wo sei ebi so bank bi wo ha eno mi mo bank ni din
Lakaka.
e ho no sika no se ye de kwa a Bank of Ghana bullion vans na di sika no kugu account nim nti say ye wo de kwa e bia ye 600 million Ghana cedis ye ntwen musa chief of staff ye ntwen musa obia just a phone call we need 540 million Ghana cedis even your Mahama will not question why they need 500 million Ghana cedis. You are not supposed to question. Here copy no more special operations. Say but catch them up. So I just said the AC kon. NSB penning or to attack what is say no it will come to fight you.
I don't know.
He is a guy. He didn't he.
It's a long story short. Me sure the ending am say no. Sa ISC foi minimum wo mbre bi atwam ko. Mami here omo.
SSO.
Na mi musa wo mo say eyampampa say say fidie no ameduru Ghana ha.
John for enamuomo.
Israel for what is Israel's delia you got to be careful. Because Almighty America, Israel they kuta won. So when you are dealing with Israel, you are dealing with America. When you are dealing with Israel, you are dealing with France. When you are dealing with Israel, you are dealing with UK.
John for enamuomo so.
And why are careful in the security community of this world? It is being controlled and managed by Israel. So we need to catch our name. Mafia Israel crow the voter region so channel. Can't na voter region channel.
John for enamuomo so.
Ghana switch Israel about 7 or 8 more times. But in the security community of this world, it's being controlled by Israel. So if Israel paid to be produced, no producing ye. It is a quarter the traffic light and then they procure. Either say would the red, would the yellow, and would the green. So what the red yen tom bound. What the yellow, you better investigate to Padru baby. Now you're tricky near Maniamano. Said the Bayer Fidie no entering year Juma, said the SSA to be Juma. Because Fidie Nankasa Ghana one, you went to be a spy on Israel.
John for and I'm almost so.
Say video no bet me atena Ghana ha. Na yaku de ekoso America nyina enne. Just get one telephone number here active. I'm sorry.
When the way pa can say.
So, then think what else video no. Net terrorist GMI nafa. So I said that as soon as I saw ISC na me can say could you be years back be can Israel Secret Service. Okay? Israel for Secret Service in Mafia. You want to be how? What the grammar what is the
John for and I'm almost so.
Secret Service. Israel Secret Service. And American Secret Service in you. Hey, of ya. Every Bank of Ghana. They know what they are doing. Control the world. In the security community of this whole world, it is being managed by Israel. And it's as a France. Epesa or Kodi Papa Yamna Obondi. Mama Gaddafi Achino. Aji Israel. First when Almighty Russia. I let Russia power in the Achino. What mean condemning Israel?
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
They say Israel fuck what Russia Hamas for so sana momoka.
He is
May I
smart.
have a different perception about the whole thing. Because maybe I didn't cross to Israel on the 7th of October and all. So we share videos in the Oyebe show. Bema on the year wawo. Kwada bosume nine. Nasa Hamas for ya tabre na she ofinim. Ni atama kwada ataka. De na to ofinim. Ni ya di hita. Ya plug hitter. Let us say come here no na wo ba. Ya ba we di former said na to ofinim. Na kwada no toto. I will ofinim no tem na osu. Na ya plug hitter ni de wa wase. Ni ya sa chechere me na me hwe.
The king of morning
Na ya de aphrodisiac. Men kan there say kwatede ne aduro te say SM. Na de gu mi manum na ya boma sum na ma mene. Na me ba imagine so. Nso na de hitter na ahya wase.
Captain Smart is the king.
Do you know what happened in Israel? By your friend on Tunchain. And so many people are talking on what they see on CNN and BBC. Ghana media ben akọ Israel ne Hamas wakota video aba. Yeah, they CNN and BBC for Ghana mu na mu de chire. Go to Israel and talk to them. Then you would appreciate why. Because my fear till today. And Kwada were between 1 month and 2 years. Over 600 at our Hamas for no. In penny for the one Amoka. Sameba, ma wono, mene wutifie, Kwada Ketwa, wadi 2 years. Ubano be to shame so. Na sabe. Umami afedro, na be jam nine, no the feeding me bana say. Who is telling the Israeli story?
I don't take madness. I don't take far.
No, who is telling the Israeli story?
Captain Smart.
By another day discussion. We'll talk about that one later.
He is smart.
So I said no. Metro letter. Akomasa Israeli company no. Say anyebia producer I want letter no. Family letter no to so. Me and am Troy. Me and am the command and tell myself mam. Me letter no. My men share. One more response they are. But I wrote to them. Said no. I want to know. Said
Captain Smart.
and near my way no
The
akwaso
king of
ampa.
morning shows.
And I ankoso. Just let me know. Na fe yemfa ntoa so. In free ho. Mafia. Efidie na police have a response no to so. Me share my response me letter me hu ha. For my response no to so.
Captain Smart.
But that's it, fuck off.
The king of morning shows.
80.
Smart. He
I
is
wrote
He is the best.
To say company na friend no ISC Holdings na ewo Israel no. Say Israel for them in say about the security amu ntwa ntro. Etim pamacho mo responde. Mo responde emma me. Na afei mi hu say JB she microphone kono ne afia e kan maame. Producer wa ha beje wo me phone so. I don't know how me madie no minimu beje and I mean forward call email him bo email him. But this is it's when you were in free so me person who
SSO
so that yeah man yo de bia me kasa he say what you so be awie sika na person wo che no na we nsisi wa nan yi a obefiri mu hon akọ ofiri mu hon obesa be twa damage abaji judgment debt so we gu nanim ase na ye na oman ni ye ndia no ye mu ye boka so I decided say some matter we me end the matter no
nti dade pa na ope hu ntia
na pese mu machine na bai machine no ye de yin police we no de ba mekan am wa hu say nti machine no e bai ana sa machine no wa ma na say bai a na wa he Ghana for me kan so woni papa bia what di me fan baba camera oya ndisi ni ono ne warehouse ena mfidie ni kogu yi mo baba camera no metrans asema me kan se me boa baba camera eya office na mfidie ni begu yi
Today, you don't hear it.
baba
Today, you don't hear it.
pacho eya office ena sa afidie na kan ho asem no ebegu yi office ho producer yana akra no me am hwehwam metimi hu oh ewa ha me say mafia
kojo
me say clarification on the procurement delivery and or non-delivery of cyber defense and surveillance infrastructure to the Republic of Ghana's National Security Secretariat. Dear sir, my name is Blessed Godsbrain Smart, a broadcast journalist and security affairs analyst with Media General Network, Accra, Ghana's premier media conglomerate. I am presently monitoring judicial proceedings before the High Court of Ghana in a criminal trial involving Mr. Adu Boahen and Mrs. Angela J. Boahen, wherein the name of ISC Holdings Limited features prominently within the charge sheet and the statement of facts. In the spirit of professional due diligence and factual accuracy, I have attached the relevant judicial documents for your perusal. To ensure analytical precision and transparency, I would appreciate your esteemed cooperation in addressing the following specific points. Me try letter we you know. Yeah, media journal ha wo ni agro. Me anti amane mesenu amane wo aha penfo mo ni agro. Why you say you can't smart the carry up but check queries no do am wo. Can't get this hand off. Me was so mama, Mr. Shem, or Shem, no mass ma astus. Astus, we are no mass ma liga. Me and I'm trying here, we know the trauma me. Message number 1. Police, are you ready? Number 1, designation and nature of the said technological system, including its official nomenclature. UPS for me, Damasi. What I'm questioning is security and intelligence gathering. One exam me brofu yenum. Hey, about security systems and infrastructure. This is me to two brofu eguha. Can't get to see UPSA.
Today, you don't hear it.
Yaro Kasabata. Hey, General Koti Anomini Ade. Thank you. All of the lecturers. All of you. Yamin Shram. Operational domain. Patoso. But me in person makai. Mefi abet makai. Jerry, kwasha maikabra. Mama Jerry Mike. Designation, including the official nomenclature, operational domain, and core cyber defense capabilities. 2, intended process of the system, whether for counterintelligence, cyber threat mitigation, digital surveillance, or data encryption operations. Where the Mr. Papa bi or Chemi, cyber security.
Oh, I don't know.
Dr. Yancing, or your posting. So I don't know if you can see any your classroom one of then why ready? Can
Be starting free.
starting free DSN.
Oh, that's what can you
David shall say. Me person me voice but you know I can say my boom team na me kind of that TV so kind.
with TV to be okay, so clarification on the procurement, delivery and or non-delivery of cyber defense and surveillance infrastructure to the Republic of Ghana, Ghana's National Security Secretariat. I extend my highest regards to your distinguished office. My name is Blessed Gosprin Smart, broadcast journalist and a security affair analyst with Media General. So I am presently monitoring judicial proceedings before High Court of Ghana in a criminal trial involving Adu Boahen, that is Mr. Adu Boahen, and Miss Angela J. Boahen, wherein the name of ISC Holding Limited features prominently within the charge sheets and the statement of facts. In the spirit of professional due diligence and factual accuracy, I have attached the relevant judicial documents for your pursuer. Given the serious national security dimensions of the matter, I respectfully seek the official clarification of your esteemed institution as to whether ISC Holding Limited has in actuality executed the supply, shipment, or technical transfer of any cyber defense, interception, surveillance, or encrypted communication system to Ghana's national security architecture. To ensure analytical precision and transparency, I would appreciate your esteemed cooperation in addressing the following specific points. Number 1, designation and nature of the said technological system, including the official nomenclature, operational domain, and core cyber defense capabilities. Number 2, intended purpose of the system, whether for the counter-intelligence, cyber threats, migration, digital surveillance, or data encryption operation. Number 3, total contractual value, inclusive of any auxiliary services agreement, software licenses, or logistical costs. Number 4, Number 4, procurement chronology, identify the key stakeholder, authorizing agency, contractual milestone, and the timeline of negotiation to execution. Number 5, financial architecture, detailing the payment tranches, mode of transfer, and the third-party financial intermediaries, if applicable. Number 6, date of physical delivery or digital deployment of the said system to Ghanaian authority. Number 7, commissioning and operational activation timeline, including any pre-deployment testing or system integration phases. Number 8, maintenance responsibility, specifying the technical custodianship update protocol or any record system service or software patching history. Number 9, security clarification and exposure risk, outlining the potential implication should the system schematics. Is this schematics yes. Or operational data becomes publicly accessible and the recommended migration framework. Number 10, should the Ghanaian judiciary deem it necessary, would ISC Holding Limited be prepared to extend technical testimony or expert verification in the spirit of the international legal cooperation and institutional integrity? It's questions in the area. Okay. Because I'm not sure. They're going to the camera for the church. Wow, bro.
First one, no matter say Jamie, wait to me. Come on. First one, me say. Yen me the designation and nature of the said technology. Yen me at the code portain now, mo de buy no. And no na me say omo answer. Cause if you na omo de buy no. One, any can say we are sukura who say Ghana talk. The world must not know that we have that equipment. Otherwise, terrorists, better than a try who say, why are we in court with this matter? Why are we exposing the security architecture of this country? Are we crazy? I knew you would not answer. I needed to know the official nomenclature. Security nomenclature. At the other side, yes, so no way me ha, no way akwasha, no way I say. I needed to know. Me say me person tell me. Me say and no, a security issue, so they will not do it. Number 2, intended purpose. At the end of the day. Number 3, total contractual value. At the end of the year, Tony no, na nebuono saying. 4, procurement chronology. Say when the day animu, when the koha, when the faha, when the ye say, ye say, and ye three are saying, and no someone can tell me. I know the omaka. 5, financial architecture, detailing the payment tranches. Say be a three and one time, boom. You try and back home, and then you try and kakran, and also one more unsigned. Number 6, date of physical delivery or digital deployment, and also one more unsigned. Commissioning and operational activation. Data on the source if you didn't Ghana ha and wominya boss to say yene you from say G7 benya 7 eti wo monka. Number 8, maintenance responsibility. If you didn't know ye ne den when the BCC and also mu yi ano. Number 9, security classification and exposure risk. What have you know? But now, dear woman, Timmy said, "Person who says, if you know, I'm pampa say, ebedru Ghana na say, I'm bedru prosa for more response to the so." I said, "Dear Mr. Smart, greetings from the ISC Holdings Limited, an international security consultancy firm incorporated under the laws of Israel and with headquarters in Israel." Paragraph 2. We acknowledge receipt of your email requests on the subjects above, but some background due diligence had to be conducted to establish your identity within the Ghanaian society. Hence the delay in responding to your request. Metro letter no in your friend is saying, I think last week of October. And I produce a check date now. Yes, I did, mommy. I think it's this month here. And the coin. na ma tro ri o ma fi me was na national security for afra me say what tro letter be call Israel and I me say ani Ghana national security for me yes what the letter be ako Israel me say ani I'm say okay we'll get back to you this was the only question they asked me. But 3 days later na the be afra me hello is this Mr. Captain Smart?
I don't know.
I'm saying yes. You sent an email to ISC Holdings in Israel. I'm saying yes. Could you please furnish us with the reason of your email? And I'm saying, do you work with ISC? And also no, I'm saying then I can't furnish you with it. But I just want to confirm, have you sent email to them? I said yes. Just a week after, national security penny pa from me. Captain, now what the letter be called Israel? Now I'm say Annie. Now then one more man. Then I'm say Anna Israel for email address. I what there? Enya what there? I don't know. So what made the crack? No call there. Almost fraying. Cause if you didn't know what they buy, say the gun and any kind no. If you didn't know what they bray, no. Ye tu amu carry you. It is all quite say kabi woman ye no amu ka. Ye tu carry. But one person who say we a credible person. I Ghana, and some man responded to email no. Mafia. One man me first email Israel for your mom first email I mean yeah me send call no. And on also responded here no man me another email. And I me trust at the same letter as I email no. And on also say on to me here no okoko. Eti o ma me another email na send the call. And no say me another person man another email. Eti what was my second paragraph no ma show them clear. That we acknowledge receipt of your email request on the subject above, but some background due diligence had to be conducted to establish your identity within the Ghanaian society. Hence the delay in responding to your request. Almost say, I email the Saka no. Name me a person who said, "Wakasa say ye wechi or to Israel or you su Ghana for yemi mechi hwehwemu." Yes, ye to krom ha ye. Until I received a call. Call na buy no. American number. Anybody who say me kasa fi Israel. Call na buy ni fi America. Ni ba ko say me fi Israel. Me wa Israel na me no kasa. Can you tell me your full name? And say, blessed God's brain smart. You went to Tia Ahmed Secondary School in Ghana? I said yes. You completed Apam Secondary School? I said yes. You completed 2000? I said yes. See, yes, maybe come also no. You are not supposed to say anything or explain anything. It is either yes or no. And I'm sure why also no. If you want your email to be responded, just follow this simple instruction. It is yes or no. You worked with Otech FM before? Yes. Fox FM? Yes. Adum? Yes. Angel? Yes. Currently with Media General? Yes. Okay. Your date of birth, 5th May 1980? Yes. Okay. I'll get back to you. I'll hang you up. 3 days later, another person called me. We want to do a background check of your parents. And what am I saying? The has security. You did agro. What's your mother's name? And I'm born with my meeting. And I say you added Mrs. But the information we have, there's no Mrs. on it. Can you clarify that? And so, about 4 or 5 years ago, Papa and Mammy share my warriors until the Mrs. never can't give me home. Abom Papa Ding. no abo wedding, no abo wedding, no abo wedding, no abo wedding. No my confirm date of birth we them say Annie, but we dey mean kai China me find it out answer. Na makwako say na akoye say. A boom abemma me who said no, this is serious. When the lady asked me, do you know Professor Entry of UPSA? And when them who said no, and Crawford umundi agro. Let me say yes. I said that is all. Thank you. We'll respond to your email. It's an email. No matter say no more yami mechi background. You have answer. Our company is known globally for delivering cutting-edge security solutions. The management of high-level security projects and training of specialized units for intelligence and law enforcement organizations. We achieve this using seasoned professionals with extensive experience required through years of service in security and intelligence agencies, including the Israeli Special Security Services. It is our company way Israel security service company where they are in charge. They are in charge of America, Secret Service. They are in charge of France. They are in charge of Germany. They are in charge of about intelligence gathering. FDA, I gather intelligence. We have already responded to a similar request. We have already responded to a similar request from the lawyers of Adu Boahen in relation to some technological solutions and transactions between Ghana and ISC of Israel under the confidential agreement. The confidential nature of such special security solutions and transactions involving national security agencies at the governmental level suggests that we may not be able to furnish you with a detailed response to some of your questions. As doing so may breach both Israel government. It's a company where we are on behalf of the government of Israel and Ghana government confidentiality provisions related to the transaction. It suffices also that you already acknowledge the serious national security dimension of the matter in your request. Serious national security dimension. They know very well, say, sa case where I work out, Ebema America in Ghana and delay. Because we can spy on America.
The king of morning shows.
We can spy on anybody. That is why I said from day one, why are we pushing this matter through the law court? So, Adu Boahen court 927. You're finding court, the enjoy Sadia, and the assembly. One day, we make us just smart. Okay, you know the danger. Israel say, on ton fidie magana bium.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Because we do not know how to handle national security matters. I said that no. You are metro baby, I'm a taste assembly. Our engagement, it suffices also that you already acknowledge the serious nature, serious national security dimension of the matter in your request. So we will comment on what we currently consider suitable for public consumption. Our engagement with Ghana security and intelligence agencies have been ongoing for almost a decade now. Where we have supplied a diverse range of technological and training solutions. These solutions are delivered for use under rule of law practices to enable national security establishment combat threats more effectively. Threat now can be threat where a cyber threat and terrorism. And say or maybe a spy or Ghana and a Ghana person or spy best spy US. Yet was an air so if you who you say person who the course Germany. Edward this FDA toy any year no. If you do Edward no. It was as and the maybe NS before here say ha. Mon so FDA no fan to kata na head the course or kata. Now they are saying we put them court. It is obi ko jina da kam no ko dia da se no ko kan sama ni kwan se ye ka na Ghana ye kan say. In our experience over the years, many of such threats that confront nations cover a wide spectrum, including terrorism, violent extremism, kidnapping, and other violent threats. What can I say? 2022, Canadians na kidnapping woman. If you when you reach a lot of one. Some machine is one. Any machine is a solution. Any kwala agro mafia. Say the Captain Smart telephone number 2 say kukuro. Who be a wafra me phone with that. Miss call. The MJ so. The MM freo. WhatsApp I was sending me. Social media handles say me phone so na. The national security can set just at NSB. Pa. You better read from the one MJ sa number we information there was there. Self ID is on. Wait. Self ID. It is out to club and you WhatsApp message will be to me sister. Then say no NSB for some time I'm to no munya hwenya no ma control phones mo ma twitwa get pictures no ma download egu ho omo wo sa no mo hwe gwen it will also officer wo to ho efe wa hye to ma no twitwa picture ko say no boy utrumu na gu national security omo jare they are so ni ma me ka utrumu na gu omo mo twitwa mo to ho na me to ma efe na ye say no manima amma na we officer your telephone number. And I understand here. It's anymore. They are sick people. Say ya menu. When you to once and na kwabe. It will don't matter that ho. Now we to so we try another. When you be here WhatsApp call, we say WhatsApp call there. We be intimi tie and you save. By fear ya boa. Ye tie da. National security for the thought no money no munya hwenya. Who fa bibi random sum. Some sum na say. Aha. Ten one say Katum yente Captain Smart calls kakrani yemfa mbonkomo. Now when we say oh, on track ya Captain Smart, me wa he, mo adwuma no ma be gina kire ha. Na o mo amemeke. They call it me oh debi mami nyaye. Menka so. Menka. Affect response na mo de buy na. Attention na sefidie na magana wo. Sika no so anko. Che dia Israel for the Troy. For the particular subject matter that forms the basis of the trial of Mr. Adu Boahen, and for the avoidance of any doubt, the ISC holdings can confirm, and this letter was signed by the president of ISC, who is more or less the national security minister of Israel. More or less. If you don't know, I'm telling you. More or less. Because Israel security services in the ISC holdings can confirm that all cyber defense systems and related solutions procured by Ghana's national security, including the NSB, supplied under a confidential agreement dated 30th January. Adianye confidential agreement too. It's any kwan say pie posa ya to say fide. Jo mama. Onko na ma appoint on no ebi no madwen abo omo nim nyansa. Captain Smart. Jimmy ni doso.
They are sick people.
Were fully delivered. 10 were fully delivered to national security. For these same solutions, ISC Holdings has been fully paid. Has been fully paid for the supply. And there is a continuing service agreement to ensure optimal function of the systems. We remain available for any further public clarifications you may deem appropriate. Yours faithfully, Danny Isa Charoff. It is I didn't hear a stand off. It's a stand off. Come on, look me. I'm signing off. It is a obi procrata court to say fidie na ma obwa. Attorney General Boa. February, Israel for the backroom have a service machine. It's a machine on service here. Yes, they came here. They were here. If you didn't buy no, so back here, I did wear any tunnel and shall say Wakufa the time, and shall say Jomama time. I do I shall say another man, former NCA boss or the jail once a woman. And some what they way who know. Why not careful? We are exposing this country. And me kasasa security ni me kasasa se presenter. Me kasasa se TV or radio presenter. This is dangerous. Now, Attorney General say fidie na ma. My question is, I didn't Attorney General, one truck rat and come ISC for holdings, he said, fidie no money buy. Mafia, that time na womoko tosa fidie we no. Na dollar no ye 12 cities 2020 na dollar no cry say 12 cities bibi what say if you anybody na 49 million it's 49 million 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by 12 4.8 million Navia email national na telephone number bi ho me come no me no mani hunu me friend number no Ghana ni na 5 okuma
Captain Smart,
Israel no
of morning shows.
me maso bo mu say wom Ghana ni na 5 Captain Smart some clarification na me say ane try na me forward me yam de me bram Captain Smart some clarification
He is smart.
and I'm saying
He is unique.
I say train na
He
me
is the
forward
best. Captain Smart is the king.
and I'm say fidie na nkasa no where the man tro but off record no I'm say are you recording I'm say no I say let's check Mafia phone here kuta me phone here Ghana be afene mo start here for about 35 seconds. You are not recording. There's no other device anywhere in the world recording this conversation. So we can continue. Now your question. Pause again. There's the global your consent.
The king of morning shows.
And I'm saying, if you didn't know what you're saying, or say, we can't tell you how much it cost, but we have received in excess of $30 million from Ghana. Attorney General, it cost $7 million.
Captain
The
king.
what's that? $7 million. Chocolate, comma ISC. It's a fidel by Mafia. A go Baba Kamara in the warehouse.
Captain Smart,
Your Excellency,
king of morning shows.
with all humility
He is
and
smart.
respect. Adu Boahen so we weird Diane. Munchino on that school. But that case we say national security issue. What Koti ISC Holdings? Our Ghana lawsuit him. Hey, that's how they say. Sabi. 24. Yeah, Jimmy sir. What Koti ISC ding?
I don't take far.
Our case, our court, our Ghana. Na today, you understand?
Captain Smart,
Boy.
king of morning shows.
And go for the safety number. Tatani General Uboa.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best. Captain
I'm
Smart,
saying a triaka.
king.
And to the Sikana and Co. Dominica Yeni, Uboa. Sikana Observer. What's your being was servicing machine? No, Dominica Yeni attending General Uboa. I see for the say. One crowd, there's another contract. I want a Baba service. Na February, Crano Mukuma. My Pum Faber also.